wheel off, obviously, and then there's a special tool that you use to compress the spring that holds this black centerpiece on, because there's a snap ring down in there we need to pop out. So this little tool threads onto that shaft, and then you basically just turn this, and that should be compressing that down, compressing that spring. And once it gets far enough down past the snap ring, now we can pop the snap ring out. That comes off next. This piece comes off, and the splines on this, it all goes on one way. And this is the little horn thing. That comes off next. And then the spring right there, that comes off. I'm going to take this screw out. Remember, that holds this thing in place. This piece won't come out until remove that screw, this screw. So this assembly here, how this works, you got your key on this side, a shaft that comes through, and these gears. So this is what it looks like. Here's when you start the ignition. So to take this assembly apart, just screw right here. Take this little spring, just take it loose. That goes to this locking pin. And then a screwdriver, just tap on this little shaft. Doesn't take much, and the pin will come out. And this little gear will come out. And then your pin will come out. And this piece right down in here is your ignition. So when this piece goes in, this groove right here has to catch this little guy right here. It's got to look just like that when it's in.